Hey guys, welcome back to a Sneaky Sensei here on YouTube. Okay, then you lovable kids, if you have not seen my first video, could you please go back and make sure that you guys do, because that was sort of like giving you guys advice of explaining to you guys why it's a good idea for you lot to get like a full-time or part-time job, and you'll thank me in the long run down the road. Okay, so the reason why I said to you guys was to find yourself a job was that you're gonna be putting more money out at first until you get what's putting money back in. Okay, I hope that's made sense to you guys. If it hasn't, I'm so sorry. So the reason why I said that was because then if you do find a job and if you have some money, you can start investing in better softwares and better equipment wise. Okay, and one of the softwares I am referring to, Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, in my opinion, there are different other cheaper softwares out there, different things out there that you guys can use, but for me in particular, actually, I really do think having Adobe Creative Cloud makes all the difference. It makes all the difference. So for example, you've got Photoshop, you've got Premiere Pro, Illustrator, you have After Effects, you've got Lightroom. You guys have so many different options that you guys do have, and yes, these will come in handy. They will come in super useful. Okay, and this is the whole reason why I said to you guys it might be the best idea for you guys to go and find a job first, and therefore you can invest in these softwares and it will make your life 10 times more easier, and you will have the upper hand, in my opinion. That's what I think, in my opinion. So what I'm going to do for today, we're going to take it one step at a time. Okay, let's tackle Photoshop for today, and please do know, okay, I am about 65% confidence in using Photoshop. Okay, I'm still yet learning how to use Photoshop, how to use more tools in Photoshop, but just for now I'm going to teach you my basics, the stuff that I do know. Okay, and yes, this will make sense, and yes, it will help you out in the long run as we go downwards. Okay, so basically what you guys want to do is go ahead and minimize this one and go ahead and open up Photoshop, and yes, it will look daunting. And also actually, I forgot to mention a few things. Actually, first of all, I am not sponsored. I have nothing to do with Adobe. Okay, I wish I could be, but I'm not. Second of all, actually, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. No, you guys can't see it. I do beg your pardon. No, you can't. I missed a payment last week. I did. So the other best thing about Adobe is that they give you 1 month to come up with the money, and that is something I really do appreciate. I really do appreciate with them. I do. Okay, also as well, if you are a regular viewer of Sneaky Sensei, you guys might recognize the thumbnails. You guys might recognize these thumbnails because we just recently finished doing Marvel Spider-Man 2. We finished it. I loved it. I cried my eyes out, and please go ahead there and check out the playlist. The playlist listed for you guys in the link box below, guys, so please do with that information as you see fit. Okay, so basically what you guys want to do, I want to show you something simple, something elegant, okay, and not too much complicated, This is my first video, and I don't want to chuck loads of information, loads of stuff at you guys. I do not want to, but I'm going to show you guys perhaps like a two or few things. Okay, so bear with me. Let's start a new file. Now, also as well, please don't be alarmed. Don't be scared, okay? This is all my mumbo jumbo. This is all my mumbo jumbo, the stuff that I work behind the scenes. Okay, and if you guys would like to see that, please head over to Sensei's vlog. Everything's listed for you guys there, and you guys will see everything like behind the scenes. Okay, love you. Okay, so we just want to use this as a template. So 19 by 20 by 1080. That's all we want to use. I just want to use this as a template. And also, so I'm going to teach you guys a few things, and I'm really hoping so far that this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has, just subscribe to the channel, please. That's all I ask from you guys, or even please drop me a like as well. Okay, love you. The one thing I will say about the best things about Photoshop is that if you are a regular user of Photoshop, and if you make loads of thumbnails, or you do a lot of designing of t-shirts or websites or anything like that, this is a great tool to have. So in library, I have made some templates, and these are the templates I made over the years. I still have the same account out and through university, and you know, I can't see myself, you know, using any other different type of software, because like Adobe for me, this is like, you know, proper home. This is like proper home. This is for me, okay? So I'm not gonna chuck too much stuff at you guys, okay? I'm trying to keep this as like a 10 minutes video just for you guys, okay? So what we want to do, okay, we want to use one of my thumbnails. I want to use one of my logos, which is this one right here. Okay. Now, at first, yeah, it looks a little bit weird, but I can see a few things. I can see a few things. So what I'm gonna do for you guys, actually, let me do another drop shadow. Let me do another drop shadow, and that will make it a little bit more easier for you guys, okay? And yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So technically, I just kind of do like a drop shadow just to make it more presentable and much more easier on the eyes, if that makes any sense to you guys. Now, the reason why I left this in transparent is because I need this whole thing to be like transparent. I need it to be like transparent, okay? So what I'm going to do now, once you've done all the techno mumbo jumbo, you want to go to export. Don't do file save as, please don't, because I did that for a year. I did that for like a year, and my tutor at uni, he goes to me, why are you doing file save as? I was like, sir, is that not how we do it? He's like, you nitwit, that's not how we do things. So my mistake, but now I'm teaching you guys, so that's completely fine. So what you guys have up here, you want to go to formats. You've got PNG, and you've got JPEG, and you have GIF. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, because honesty is like the best policy. I don't know what GIF means. I've never used GIF. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'll do some more research for you guys, but GIF I've never used. But just for today's tutorial lesson, we just need a peg. We just need peg. That's all we need. And we'll say export. Now, this is my, you know, oh shoot, it was there. Okay, never mind. Teaching. Sorry guys, 1 second please. Yeah, it say teaching. Because I'm teaching. I do apologize if I misspell it. It's just me being me. Okay, hit enter, and okay, so the reason why I did this, because there is a point to this. There's a point to this, actually. There is a very, very good point. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize that, and let's open up Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, this is a software that I do use when I do my editing of my vlogs and my videos and etc. Okay, this is stuff that I do use, okay? And there is actually a good explanation of why I'm showing you guys this. And yes, further onwards down the road, we will get into Streamlabs OBS, and I will teach you guys a little bit more things as we go downwards. But I'm just waiting for Premiere Pro to launch, actually. Come on. Give me the software, please. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me just cancel this. That's got private information on that. That's got private information. Don't need you lovely people to see that. And also, I do notice that my key light is not working. My key light's not working, and lighting as well. I'll be teaching you guys as well. About that. Okay, so let's just say example 1. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna say that way. Also, as well, if you guys like it, I'll be more than happy to cover and teaching you guys how to use Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Photoshop. That's for another separate tutorial. That's for a separate tutorial. That one is. But the reason why I brought you guys into Premiere Pro was because there's something I want to show you. Something I really want to show you guys. Example wise, let me see if I find one of my videos. Let me see if I can just find one of my videos, and there will be an explanation. There probably will be an explanation. Actually, can we go to one of you guys? Could I just use one of these as an example? I'm just going to use these one as an example. Probably use one of my PS5's unboxings as an example. So now you guys are wanting to yourself, Sensei, what does this have to do what we just did in Photoshop? And I'm glad that you asked that question. I'm quite glad that you asked that question. I'm just trying to find you guys This is it. This is it. Okay, so now this is what I mean by transparent. I do beg your pardon. Let me just open this a little bit more bigger. Let me open this a little bit more bigger for you guys. There you go. Transparent. That's what I meant by transparent. So you get rid of the background, but you still have the image in focus. And this is a great way to use this upon Streamlabs OBS or perhaps on TikTok Live Studio. It still works the same. It still works the same. It does. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to go ahead and minimize this. And this is great for like a watermark. A watermark, in my opinion, is very, very important. If you do not want your videos to be stolen online, please use watermark. Watermark is a great way to stop thieves from stealing your piece of context, because unless that Adobe has invented it, I don't know. I'm being honest with you guys, 99%, I don't know if they have done it or not, if there is a software to remove watermark, because by law, I think that is a copyright. I think that is by law. They are breaking the law. They are. I'm gonna have to look into this. I'm gonna have to look into this actually. But yeah, but the reason why I did this watermark was to show you guys an example, wise. And yes, this can be used in Streamlabs OBS when you guys do go live, okay? My little sister. That was my little sister. I did not win that match. I did not win that match. Thank you very much, Pass Sensei. And yet I was still struggling with the damn box. I have my PS5, thank you, Pass Sensei. Okay, so yeah, that was the whole idea, what I showed you guys in Photoshop, okay? So using PNG, and yes, this will come handy later as we go into Streamlabs OBS. And to be honest though, guys, there's so much to cover. So this is the first episode, okay? This is the first episode. So far, if this has helped you out, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe, okay? I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so therefore YouTube can start paying me and I can start investing into more computer parts into my production, and I can show you guys even more stuff, okay? But honestly though, if this has helped you out, please make sure that you do like and comment and share, and please subscribe. If something did not make any sense to you, please let me know in the comments below. I do check my comments every day and I will get back to you guys very, very soon. So that does it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you guys. Until next time, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next episode, okay? So take care. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Love guys. See ya. Bye.